We're going to stop all the nasty internet posts before my sister gets a new phone.
But how?
We take the Jefferson spaceship inside the internet, delete the comments from there. We go into cyberspace.
Digit, engage.
Was that a...
Here come the comments!
No, I didn't do that. Not true. McLaren, is that one true?
Right, that one's actually true.
Oh, what about that one? Nova's part of a galactic scheme to ban chocolate? Conspiracy!
It's nonsense. Now, stop reading, start zapping.
Chasing memories, you'll always be with me, be with me.
It's a masterwork. To you, musical instruments are like walking sticks for goldfish. You just don't need them. Fabulous work. Tell McLaren it's all on here. Ready for her to release.
Yay! Celebration Sophie. Right, no phone. Why did she... Click!
Protect Nova at all costs. Delete!
There's too many of them. We can't continue.
Don't worry. While zapping, I've also been coding a new firewall to keep out any Nova hate.
Huh?
What? I think, therefore, I multitask. You know this. Now, launch firewall!
Scribblets!
These comments are toast. Right. Take us home, Captain. We did it.
Yes, ma'am.
Just in time for a cappella Nova! Yay!
I can feel you out there, making me strong. Everything is changing, now you are gone, and I'm holding on.
So I just spiggled kid songwriter, and the internet people, they don't believe he exists. He does, right?
Oh, kids. Gotta admit, a cappella Nova's sounding good, McLaren.
Wait, what was that?
Only the most incredible voice in the entire universe.
Not Nova. Something else. There it is again! Turn Nova down, bring up the reverse feed.
What the honk?
You should be squabble.
Oh, one of the haters got through the firewall.
No. That's one of Nova's fans.
Holding on. You made me strong.
One of her mega fans is booing her and going on about
Chocolate conspiracy.
chocolate?
Wasn't that a hater thing? Huh? Saying Nova was part of some secret galactic conspiracy to ban chocolate.
Oh no. Nova didn't see the comments, but her fans did. And they believed them.
It's only one fan. She probably won't even notice. Anyway, McLaren, I wanted to... McLaren.
Me somewhere out in the galaxy. I hope that you remember me. All the nights you'll never see. We sing as one. Our time will come. Can we be together forever? Where are you now? Can we...
Please stop booing.
Booing? But booing, what is that? Shh. No shushing, never any shushing.
Oh, yes, You. Let me explain. I know you've all heard about this whole secret chocolate ban conspiracy. It's lies. A, Nova loves chocolate. B, she's never been able to keep a secret. And C,
Get off my stage.
a galactic conspiracy. Nova can't organise her fingers. I love a joke as much as the next manager, but the admin alone would be... It's clearly a silly internet rumour. Stop spreading them. Get off. I'm going. You're welcome.
Can we be together forever? I think I figured out what booing is.